Today I'm making a thick strawberry cake filling that is so easy to make and tastes much better than any pre-made filling that you'd buy at the store. It's super simple to make. Let's get started. We're going to start by pouring the water and cornstarch into a medium-sized saucepan and whisk this into a slurry. The strawberries I like to use are frozen and unsweetened. Pour those into the pan along with the sugar and lemon juice. Give it a good stir, and then we're going to cook this on medium for around 10 to 15 minutes until the strawberries have broken down. Once the strawberries soften up a bit, I then like to mash them up with a potato masher so that I get more of a chunky consistency. And as you can see, the mixture is looking cloudy at this point, so I'm just going to stir it a little bit more and let it boil until it darkens and thickens up. Okay, it looks like we have reached that stage, so I can now pour the mixture into a bowl, cover it, and then pop it into the refrigerator to cool down completely. And here's what it looks like once it's completely cool. You can see it has thickened up even more. I want to also show you how I fill my cakes with this type of fruit filling. So I have my first layer of cake here, and I'm adding a very thin layer of buttercream. So I do this when I'm worried about the fruit soaking into the cake too much, but actually my husband likes it when I don't do this. He likes it when the fruit is soaked in. So it's up to you on that step. Next, the buttercream dam is also super important. I use a piping bag fitted with a coupler from Ateco. Pipe a buttercream dam around the outer edge of the cake, and then pipe another one that's just a little bit smaller. And then I use my offset spatula to blend the smaller dam into the cake. I saw that trick on Instagram, and I just love doing that now. Fill the cake with strawberry filling all the way up to the top of the buttercream dam, and then continue stacking another layer of cake. I like to alternate here with a layer of buttercream just to mix it up a little bit. And then do the same process of adding another cake layer, add a thin layer of buttercream, then a buttercream dam, then you fill it with strawberry filling again, and then top it with the final layer of cake. You have to be really careful at this point not to move it around too much, because this is the time the fruit filling will want to spill out the sides. So I cover it in plastic wrap, and then I pop it into the refrigerator to set up. Once it has set up, you can decorate it in any way you like. I covered mine completely in buttercream. And I don't think it's all that important to get cakes like this smooth and perfect, because no one's going to care. They just want to eat it. I want to keep it simple with the decorating, so I'm lining up some sliced strawberries along the bottom edge of the cake, and then I'm topping it with buttercream swirls and more strawberries. And that's it. Super easy and delicious strawberry cake filling. Do you have a favorite cake filling? Tell me what it is in the comments. I already have another cute cake lined up for next week, but until then, go check out my raspberry cake filling recipe that everyone is loving. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, everybody.